Buddy, it's me again. I got this noisy piece of road I'm driving on. Hopefully you can hear me. Okay, so the question is, well, how can you develop a database that you can access anywhere? Okay, so how would I go about doing that? How would I go about it? And sorry, I'm offering a lot of functionality or philosophical advice right now. I'm not doing it because, as you can see, or as you can, as you can see and hear, I'm driving, so I don't have a computer screen of yet. So, how would I go about developing a worldwide platform? Well, you could use. You can develop your database within MySQL. You can like go to HostGator or something and register your domain name with Godaddy, and then go to HostGator, and because they're relatively inexpensive, I guess they're pretty inexpensive, and you can get a good link by going to vbahowto.com and go there. You're going to get yourself a MySQL database, and you're going to get PHP. That's pretty much all you need. You have to learn something about PHP, and you have to learn something about MySQL, and I'm sure you'll find some videos about basic PHP. Or I'm going to make some in the near future, how to design. But basically, you'll make this database, and I'm thinking of a customer of mine that has they have their data on a SQL server, and of course Microsoft likes to change up the game a lot. You know, they change that every year. It's going to keep you guessing. And so anyway, they had a lot of bells and whistles that this company doesn't really need. But so I would say, well, let's redesign the database, the MySQL Server database in MySQL. Okay, that's already on that's there. And then modify all the access forms and put them all as web forms in their in the database or on their website. Create a login basically, and we can just create a little login screen that only that group knows the password to. They can have different levels of passwords, and then the data comes off of that MySQL database. So that avoids them having to pay Microsoft for licensing. It's open source, and they can access from anywhere. If they want to access from Colorado, they can do that. If they want to access from Nebraska or wherever they are, they're going to be able to do it. Okay, so you can see now. I'm having seeing how these things can fit together, put the pieces of the puzzle together. See how you can log in and you just create your web forms based on whatever access provides right now. You may have to modify some stuff like subforms are not real well handled with PHP. You may have to produce some type of another screen, because again, Access is Rapid Application Development, RAD, and PHP is not. But you may be able to do ASPX, but then you buy all the Microsoft stuff and do ASPX pages. So, but with PHP, go ahead and do your subform, your form, and then you click a button and bring up the subform. You may have to do a little bit of intuitive design. Okay, but anyway, that's how I would go about well, it's kind of basic, but that's kind of how I would go about transferring a Access database to a web database. Again, it's like $5 a month, so man, they're going to save a bunch of money by doing that. Again, this is Eric with VBAHowTo.com, Global Com Services, and signing off. Bye.